Oh yeah! Welcome Savages, Savage Family, and Savage Maniacs. Coming to you today live from Doha. It's a Friday, and I'm learning that on Fridays in the Middle East, it's pretty quiet. Like, it's prayer time, and they take this pretty serious. So, I just came back from the famous Souq. Yeah, it was dead, so I had probably one of the best cheesecakes ever. Pistachio chocolate cheesecake. Oh my god, this thing was so good. But this is the skyline. I'm gonna come back at night because at dinner that I want to try, well, a place I want to get dinner at. But yeah, I just want to show y'all this beautiful skyline. Man, this is why I love to travel. I'm not sure if you can go in this building, but I'm definitely gonna find out because I would love to go all the way up there. But yeah, this is the famous Souq. Like I said, I'm gonna walk around at night so you can see, and when I go into the restaurant I bring that to you. But just wanted to show you guys. Whew. And this lights up at night. This is my second time in Doha. I had a 2-day layover the first time, and that 2-day layover just made me want to come back, and I'm glad I'm able to come back. I'm about to show you the hotel that I'm currently staying in. You can get your bang for your buck. Like, I just came back from Dubai. Dubai is lovely and everything, but it's expensive, and you're not getting the bang for your buck. So I'm getting my bang for my buck in Doha, and I'm going to show you guys that. All right, so this is the inside of the hotel that I am in. Man, for 3 nights, it is 288 USD. That's a bargain. Finding something less than $100 a night that has good quality and clean, it's kind of priceless. And this isn't a check-in floor. Like, this thing is beautiful. So I'm about to check in and see if the room is just as beautiful. If so, I'm going to be shocked. Like, I'm shocked already by what I'm seeing. But if that room is what I seen in the pictures and it's not dirty or there's stains or stuff like that, I'm going to give this thing a 5-star rating. So let me get checked in and show you guys the room. All right, so this is the hallway leading to the room. So far, customer service is great. They let me check in 3 hours early. They just start like doing checkout, so I wasn't expecting to be able to get a room so quick, but I'll take it. We're at 10:09. All right, so let me go ahead and get my card. Yep, 10:09. So if you come here, you're gonna get, if you get this number here. Oh man, oh, there you go. Oh man, wow. All right, so I was not expecting this. Yo, all of this for $300, less than $288. This is what I paid for. Well, that's how much I paid. And you get this. Oh, the lights went out. We're blind. We're blind. Oh yeah, I forgot. You gotta stick the. All right, so I forgot to stick this card into that to keep the lights on. Let's go back into the room. Oh man, you got this piece right here, which is amazing. Soak-in tub, stand-up shower. Yeah, I'm not mad at that. Oh, and you got the raindrop. Come on, man. Got music. Nice little bed. And look at my name. And wow. Just, I'm gonna leave this closed because it's kind of hot in here. I'm gonna cut the AC on, but you guys see right here. You see, nice little view of the city. Yeah, can't beat that. Let me close this because it is hot. And they do bring the luggage up here for you. But man, you get your bang all day. Like, that's amazing. This is lovely. This is very lovely. Like, I wouldn't be mad staying here the whole time. Let's see what we got here. Oh, you got the water. Is this the fridge too? Yep, you got the fridge. It's not super cold, but it'll do. I'm trying to see, I think you can put your luggage right here. You got safe. Oh, they even, if you're Muslim, you got a little prayer rug right here. Yeah. This thing is worth it. I didn't get the breakfast included. Normally breakfast is $120. But they just did try to give me a discount, so you can get it for $60. I just said, I'm not a breakfast person and I don't eat like that. So I'm pretty sure I can find some great options. Man, walk around the hotel later on and show you the rest of the hotel. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of stuff to do. There has to be some bar. I'm gonna do my research and find out what else is there to do. But yo, this is lovely. I'm happy to spend $288. I spend that all day if I get 3 nights for this rate. And here's the thing about USA that I don't like. You know, every time you check in America, they have to say, well, we gotta charge you $100 or $50 for damage potential or whatever they call it. Like, bro, that don't exist in other countries. So America, do better. Stop charging us, talking about we're charging you for damage, holding this for damage just in case you damage. Most of the time you don't damage anything, but it is what it is. All right, so I'm just showing you more of the options that you have at this hotel. Here you can come and do your computer work or print something if you need it. This is the lounge area. Oh, this is nice right here as well. I'm going to show you the gym. Yeah, the Souq Lounge is that way. Pretty much you just get anything you need as far as like tea, water, things of that nature. I'm trying to find a gym. I think the gym is right here. Oh yeah, okay. Walk right past it. And you do need the card to get in. And here's the gym right here. Pretty much has everything you need to get a good workout, good sweat. They even have water for you right here. Let me see what's in here. Oh, this leads upstairs to something. Oh, that probably leads upstairs to the, we're gonna take that. I just wanna see where that leads to. Okay, so that's locked. But yeah, you get the idea, and you get a good view while working out. Definitely have everything you need. There goes the weights over here. And you see it's empty. It was empty when I came down here the first day I stayed. So yeah, you can get everything you need. All right, so let's go ahead and walk up here. I think this has to lead to the 15th floor, which is the swimming pool and the Sky Garden. The Sky Garden is a restaurant that is, I mean, they say they have cocktails. Remember, Doha does not have alcohol, so I think I said in the video that, well, you can find it, but it's not normal. It's changing rooms, electrical room. Oh, this is a swimming pool, okay. You gotta press the button. Yeah, swimming pool area right here. Once again, you're still getting a good view of downtown. Well, I don't think this is downtown, but it's close enough. Pretty much this hotel is next to everything. Pretty nice swimming pool right there. Beautiful. Let's walk down this way. Yeah, this is definitely worth the money. Yeah, and this leads to the Sky Bar. So, well, Sky Garden. And this is the Sky Garden. Pretty much the restaurant. They offer like Middle Eastern cuisines. At night, this does look beautiful. They have events and everything up here. You can see the music with the speakers. Yeah, once again, guys, for $288 for 3 nights, you can't beat this. All right, Savages, Savage Family, Savage Maniacs. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Get your boy to 1,000. And oh yeah, we out.